Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to edit your photos with the studio lighting effect on your Samsung S25 Ultra. On your Samsung S25 Ultra, you have the studio lighting tool, which lets you apply realistic lighting angles and shadows to faces in portrait shots, simulating pro-level lighting setups. So here, as an example, I have a photo here. However, you can see that the light is only on one side, but using the Samsung's Gallery built-in tool, you can basically turn this photo into a studio photo. So let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you need to first make sure this photo has been taken through the portrait mode on your camera app. So that's a portrait mode on your camera app. Now, once the photo has been taken on the portrait mode on your camera app, you want to go ahead and open the image, then tap on the pencil icon. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on this blur icon here, the bottom left. And now you want to go ahead and move to studio mode, which is right here. Go ahead and select this icon here. And now go ahead and choose where you want the lighting. So say, for example, I want the lighting more to on her right side. I'll go ahead and select that, move it to the right hand side. And now I can go ahead and increase the exposure. So as you can see, this is without studio light. And if I go ahead and increase this is with the studio light. So you can see that there's more light coming to the other side of her face. You can go ahead and adjust this to where you want your studio light to show up. So this enhances facial structure and the mood of your photos, making it ideal for profile pictures, headshots, or any photos that need a polished magazine quality look. So there you go, guys. That is how to edit your photos with the studio lighting effect tool on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.